can't say I'm having too much fun right now, but fuck it, we're gonna ball, we're gonna get it done. What you do? Find a minimum in a rotated sorted array. Okay, just double triple checking that the mic's on this time so I don't fucking have to re-record this. Minimum sorted rotated sorted array. So rotated means it's gonna be moved X amount of positions in. I think this is right. I've solved this before. Yeah, rotated right, I suppose. And then sorted means obviously ascending order. So let's do this. You need a left pointer and a right pointer. So we need that at len of nums minus 1. What else do we need? Result? Should we set a result? Yeah, so we're going to set a result to be the first or leftmost number inside of this array. So that way we always have a result already initialized. And if this array is unrotated, it would by definition be the smallest value inside the array. And if it is rotated, if we're in the unrotated half, it'll be the smallest. And if we're inside the rotated half, we can evaluate and see if we've got a smaller value. So let's see. While left is less than or equal to right, so just making sure that our pointers, our left pointer and our right pointers haven't crossed over yet, or even equal. I saw the contained water solution, so we don't want it matched up. If nums left is less than or equal to the value at right, then we can do a check for our result, which will want the minimum of our result. We always want to check the minimum of whatever kind of container or value we have against each other itself if we're checking for minimums or maximums. And of course, the point at the left side. Then we can just break out that. So that's going to be our evaluation case. Let's see, our midpoint will be, as per usual, our left pointer plus our right pointer, and floor divided by 2. Let me not type too furiously because I have knocked that desk light off my table screen too many times nowadays. It's just fucking annoying, and I have to edit out, and then it's a nightmare. My neck is killing me. What was I gonna do? So yeah, we gotta update the result at this point. Why is it doing that for? Okay, anyway. Again, result. And our nums at our midpoint. So this is actually going to just check if our midpoint is already kind of like smaller than our results value, because then that means we've already hit the specific smallest value. So if it was rotated like 4 places and whatnot, and that 0 was now, in our example case, was now the midpoint, we could just return it. And then we can just check if nums left is less than. Okay, I always fucking forget my pointers. I know that's really stupid and really shitty. Let's see. So if the left side number is less than the right side number, then what do we want to do? Actually, if the right side one is bigger than the left side one, then we want to actually, why am I saying left? The thing is, we actually look at the midpoint. It's the midpoint one I'm looking at. So if the midpoint is bigger than the left side pointer, then we need to increment the left to be 1 bigger than that. That's now equal to nums midpoint. Then we want to actually recalculate our left pointer to be mid plus 1. Else, which is an else case to be honest. So if you're doing pointers, you can do else right equals mid minus 1. Then we can just return our result. Okay. That's most likely going to be wrong, I'm sure. Yes, what did I do wrong? No, okay, I can live with that. I typed out, I always try to double, triple check some of my thinking. So if you ever see me fuck up on stream, I say stream, in video, it just means that my brain is really not computing, because I usually practice it first. I don't have to waste too much time editing. But sometimes you just have to fast forward and just look crazy in it. But yeah, as you can see, kind of left pointer and right pointer usage. I did try one problem the other day that was just like 2 pointers for a sliding window, and it was a nightmare. Like honestly, it didn't even look like a sliding window problem. It looked like a sliding window problem, but it didn't look easy. I think it was a medium. I was like, fucking hell, this is gonna be hard. But anyway, this one's not too bad. The binary search is fairly conventional. It's really just about make sure you understand which side of the rotated or unrotated array that you're in at any given time. And then of course, you set in that base case so that after the binary search is taking place, you can try to grab that minimum value again. Did I submit? I did submit. Let me stop bothering him. Let me stop bothering everyone. Alright, peace.